you have will come true. So, Namaskar Raju sir, thank you very much for having me again. Today I wanted to do something different. I always try to, but today I want to do especially different because you cannot start a training without thanking your sponsor. So it is but obvious that we want to thank our sponsor. Sorry, it's jumped one slide. Our sponsor Mary Holloway. She is of course a chairman club 6 timer now, and very well known and very well respected. She won the humanitarian of the year award last year. And I wanted to share my story, but Rajuji made such a wonderful video that after you see the video, I don't think I can add anything. We have had a glorious 21 years. 14th January next year, we will be entering our 22nd year with Herbalife. It has truly been an amazing journey. But I think it's not because of me or because of Lavlina that the journey was amazing. It's because of opportunity, and also because we got teachers like Rajuji on the way, and we have come a little farther than we had thought we would, and some way to go. So today I want to talk about something that's very important. It's a slightly longish topic. So with Rajuji's permission, I am going to skip my story today, but I will add it next time. So for customers on the call, please understand this. I started as a customer. I wanted to lose weight. I got attracted to the business because my result attracted attention. First 3 months, we made over 6 lakh rupees, part-time Herbalife. In the last 21 years, we have had over maybe 70, 80, sometimes Lavlina says 100, but we haven't counted international trips. And we have been fortunate to develop friendships, and we have become more than we could possibly be just beyond money. Of course, you need money. Of course, money is important, but that I don't think is anything, especially when you have lots of it like Rajuji. You need to become better human beings. You need to become friends. You need to travel. You need to have fun. And thanks to the last 21, 22 years in Herbalife, we have got all that. And so, like I said, Lavlina joins me on the occasion of Diwali just gone by in greeting all of you and wishing you a very prosperous forthcoming year. Now, when you start with your sponsor, you are actually reflecting gratitude. And in Herbalife, the greatest thing you can ever give back to Herbalife or to your sponsor or to the people with you is gratitude. And gratitude comes from brain, but also should come from heart. And if our hearts are not healthy, if our hearts are not filled with happiness and joy, we cannot be really healthy. So today, I think in this training, you should be taking great notes, because this is something that will make a lot of positive difference to not only your own health, to your family's health, but to people around you that you impact, and also, of course, give you a better income. So what I want to talk about, sometimes, no, many times we want to help everybody who thinks of heart disease or heart problems or heart challenges, and we become doctors. So the first thing I want to start today is with a medical disclaimer that if you are on this call and you know anybody who is taking heart medication or treatment for heart disease, do not interfere. Let the professional cardiologist treat him or her as they are. Our job is to support them with nutrition. Our job is to support them with supplementation, but our job is not to replace a doctor. So what you hear today, what you read today is for information, is not for immediate action and translation into claiming that you are a heart cardiologist now. You will become better in the next 35, 40 minutes when it comes to understanding heart disease. But do not substitute yourself for the cardiologist. Please listen to Rajuji and me when we say, of course, we care for people's heart. Of course, we want healthy hearts around us, but we will not interfere in treatment. And I hope you will follow that. Any person who thinks of health thinks of 7 simple things. If you are smoking, stop, or at least cut back. Learn to eat better. If you have fat to lose, lose it. Control cholesterol is already slightly outdated now because it has been linked to not any cardiac disease. Of course, everybody should be active. Blood sugar should be optimized and blood pressure should be normal. So life's 7 simple principles used to be these. And I will talk about the changes that we have undergone in modern times. And because we are going to train you on what is true in 2021, you will find a new thing or a couple of new things in your training today. First thing, understand, supplementation for heart is worldwide. Even in the age of 18 to 34, 16% people use some supplement to improve their heart condition. And by the time you are 55, 30% of people, every third person around you is using some heart supplement. These are scientific surveys carried out in 2019, 2 years back. And in the 2 years gone by, this number has changed and become better. Today, I am going to give you a lot of data because please understand, our job is to sell Herbalife products, yes, but our job is to understand why they are so important, why they are so required, and why they fulfill a need. So the first supplement to support health, and science says this, is L-carnitine, magnesium, vitamin D, omega-3, haldi, garlic, vitamin B, selenium, QT, beta carotene. Now this slide would have been wonderful if you were all scientists. But most of us, including me on this call, are not scientists. So this is all French and Greek to me. It is a good looking slide. It looks very nice. It's nice to read. But when it comes to practicality, putting it to use in your and my life every day, I think it's a challenge. So what Herbalife did to make the world healthier and happier was focus on heart wellness. Please understand, this is a difference between treating heart disease and creating an environment where heart can feel healthy. Herbalife is about heart wellness, not about treating heart disease. So if anybody of you knows people that suffer from heart disease, let them carry on with their cardiologist. You just support them to become better every single day by being what I would like to call you wellness experts of the heart. So focus on wellness, not on treating disease. Now, anytime you pick up a newspaper, anytime you pick up a magazine, anytime you want to look at the internet on what you should eat and drink, you will find people say eat fruits and vegetables, eat some starchy food, eat fish, seafood, eggs, milk, yogurt, and cut back on junk food or drinks that are high in sugar, salt, and calories. So this advice is across the board, whether you are referring to heart or to brain or to weight or to kidney. I want to make it scientific for you and understand for every one of you what is a heart healthy food. Now, will you be able to eat it or not? We will talk about that later. Because you see, the first thing they want to talk about is avocado, which doesn't grow in India and it is tough to get. The second is salmon fish, which is not again grown in India. It is a ice water fish. We have berries, we have arugula, black and red spinach, which most people haven't seen even, forget it eating. And then they want you to have olive oil and have lot of vitamin C and have lot of anar. And in Hindi, there is a kahavat, ek anar so bimar. In a country of 150 crore, majority of people haven't seen a pomegranate, forget to buy it. So when you look at newspapers and ads, when you look at literature, you find beautiful, good looking, healthy food slides. But just think for a minute, you are educated people, you are intelligent, you are supported by a group of motivated Herbalife associates, yet it is difficult for us to get all this. Imagine what is happening to a common man. And I want to show you what is happening to a common man. You have to have a lot of color. You have to have less of the bad things. You have to have fruits and vegetables low in calories. You have to have foods that are flexible and of different colors. So when you eat in Technicolor, you eat healthy. So as a general advice, the more colors of food in your diet, the better for your heart. This is a broad-based advice. I want to make it specific for you. And by the way, sir, I think this is in Tamil or Telugu.
Kannada, sir, Kannada.
Kannada. So does it make sense what it says? I couldn't read it, so I thought it is good looking, so I included it. I guess it says healthy foods for healthy heart. Does it say that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So what you need to understand is Herbalife is not the only one talking about it. This is a non-Herbalife slide I picked from the net. And I understood even in vernacular language, people are worried about heart health. You and I are not unique in that sense. You and I are not worried about heart health, and there is a reason for this. And the reason is that we are now in terms of challenging traditional thought processes. Once upon a time, you could eat and drink anything you liked and you would be healthy. Today, we have specific instruction from science that if you want a healthy heart, 50% of food should be raw fruits and vegetables. 25% should be protein rich sources and 25% should be grains. I look at my regular Kashmiri food thali, it is 90% rice and maybe 5-10% meat. I don't know about Andhra food, but I guess you eat a lot of pesarettu and dosas and idlis and vadas and only a little of those wonderful chicken. Even in chicken biryani, the chicken is less and the rice is more. So please understand, yes, in theory we know what to do, but in practice we cannot do that. This is a slide you should pay close attention to, because if you want a healthy heart, even if you want people to get a healthy heart, take a photograph of the slide, read the slide, take down notes, because I chose this slide for a reason. It sums up heart health in a single slide. So what do you need? Omega-3 fatty acids. They are bioactive compounds that are useful for the human body. Quercetin is a plant flavonoid that comes from onions, apples, grapes, berry, broccoli, cherry, red coffee, red wine, capers. So many are saying, okay, from today I will drink red wine because it has quercetin. Forgetting that I also told you onion, apple, grapes, and berries. Folates are vitamin B9. They come from dark green leafy vegetable. Coenzyme Q10 is good for the heart. It is an antioxidant. Unfortunately, most of it is found in red and organ meat and fatty fish, some in broccoli and oranges and peanuts and legumes. The oils we should use should be liquid at room temperature called monosaturated fats. L-carnitine is the pigment or the amino acid that colors the meat red, and its function is to turn fat into energy. So if you have L-carnitine rich food, you will burn more fat and store less fat. Lycopene is what turns the cherries and tomatoes red. Magnesium helps with 300, not 1, 2, 3, but 300 reactions in human body. And the best source is pumpkin seeds and other seeds. Polyphenols are antioxidants from plant, and resveratrol is a plant antioxidant which comes from red wine, grapes, berries, and pomegranates. Now this slide, when you see, a lot of it is covered by Herbalife products. I chose this slide and I made an effort to make this. This is not a ready-made slide. It is my mindset that said, let me tell you that I don't know why, but a 10th grade education person like Mark Hughes set up a company, and now we have a product range that covers most of the things good for heart. So you have most of these, if not all of them, not all of them, but most of this in our products, even if they are not in the products I am going to talk today. So please rest assured that if you are a customer on the product, we care for you, care for your heart, and care for your health. Of course, we are interested in taking money from you. I am not denying that. But you will benefit no matter what Herbalife product you use, because all of these products are together designed to create a healthy heart. If you have a healthy heart and a healthy brain, you will have a healthy body. So these are so-called superfoods for the heart. Now, heart is a very interesting thing. If you have ever fallen in love, you know it's easy to lose it. But the size of a human heart is two clenched fists together, this size. On an average, only 200 gram to 300 gram, even if you weigh 300 kilograms. So please understand, a 70 kg person has a 300 gram heart, a 100 kg person has a 300 gram heart, a 150 kg person has a 300 gram heart. The heart weight is constant in all adults. And because heart is important, the heart disease is the #1 killer in India and worldwide. If you exercise regularly, you improve heart health. And it's very, very interesting that women have different symptoms of heart attack than men have. So if you're a woman and you feel breathless, worry about heart, especially if you are after 40 years of age. On the other hand, in men, there is sweating, nausea, heart disease, chest pain. So when you look at a clinical layman picture ki heart attack ka matlab heart mein dard, you are referring to a male, not to a female. If you are a female on this call, you have relatives, your customers, please understand your heart disease presentation will be different. And heart pumps 2000 gallons. Gallon is 5 liter, 10,000 liters of blood every single day. If you are 1 kg overweight, you put 10% extra stress on a 200-gram pump. In the back of your mind, think in your home there is a water booster. It can boost up to 2nd floor, 3rd floor. Imagine trying to boost the water to 6th floor just because you are obese or overweight. So heart is a very important mechanical function. It never rests from birth to death. In fact, the heartbeat starts 6 weeks in mother's stomach, womb. So a baby technically is born 6 weeks after conception. So from 6 weeks in mother's uterus to death, the heart non-stop works without a rest. And we are going to focus on heart health today by providing you solutions that we offer. Also understand, you have a heart that has its own electrical supply. The heart beats 100,000 times a day for an average person. If you are in love, it can be 200,000 times also a day. But an average person, 100,000. And if you are in love with somebody and he or she says yes, the heart rate will drop. If you are comfortable with your environment, if you are comfortable with your weight and health, the heart rate drops because lesser the stress, lesser the heart rate. Interestingly, the lowest heart rate is in sleep. And heart disease has been found in people who are 3,000 years dead in mummies of Egypt, where we have found that they suffered from heart disease. By the way, I don't know this, but I was amazed myself while I was preparing this presentation that a woman's heart beats faster by men 8 times more per minute. So no wonder the women are so active and we are in so much in love with them, because they have very wonderful hearts that beat faster than of the male. So these are facts to decrease the monotony of the science. And the bad news I am going to share with you, especially with reference to Andhra Pradesh and Telangana and this country. Today, on an average, 1 person out of 4 will die because of heart disease in this country, irrespective of age. This chart is age related as well as sex, gender related. Irrespective of age, every 4th death is because of direct heart attack. Now read this. Since you are in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, you have the highest number of heart deaths in this country. And this data is 2016 in Deccan Chronicle. Imagine what has happened down the line. We have the world's largest heart disease, we know, but the tragedy is by 2025, WHO says 60% of world's heart disease patient will be Indian. 60%. Every 6 out of 10 heart disease patients will be your countrymen. So you need to think about it and do something about it. This data I chose for you people because you belong to this state. Now, there is another interesting data. Look at this from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. I thought once upon a time, especially before I read this, that you people were healthier than North Indians. Today, I can tell you with absolute uncertainty, the incidence of heart disease, the incidence of heart attacks, the incidence of diabetes, and incidence of high blood pressure is far higher in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana than in rest of the country, and it doesn't matter whether you are in a village or in a city. So high blood sugar and high blood pressure were common among poor people, even in middle and old age. So it's not rich people get heart disease, it's everybody gets heart disease. Look at what has happened to the pattern of disease in last 10 years. Actually, this data is already 7 years old. Heart attack increased 17%. Diabetes increased 35%. And kidney disease, which cripples rather than kills, increased 21%. So if In 2005 to 2015 decade, heart attack went up 17%. You can imagine what is happening when we close 2025. Just imagine an extra 17% people around you dying because of heart disease and 35% extra people developing diabetes. And I will tell you why this is important. Because 28% people die of cardiovascular disease, 28% people die of nutritional deficiencies. Just imagine if you were paying attention to somebody's heart disease, diabetes, and nutrition, you would help 60% of people around you have better health. 60. And it is not cheap to fall sick. This data shows, and it is the Indian data from Government of India data, that if you fall sick, every time you get hospitalized, it's not per year or per month. Every time you get hospitalized, even in villages, it costs between 12 and 17,000 per admission. And when you go to Hyderabad and urban areas, it costs between 20 and 30,000 per month. And when we tell customer buy Herbalife, they say oh, it is expensive. Imagine falling sick every month and spending 30,000 rupees on treatment every month. This is the Government of India official data. It's not that I made this data. So please understand, if you think, and you will have heard it many times, if you think eating healthy is expensive, try falling sick. This is the true data from India, which shows that in Hyderabad, if somebody falls sick, his average hospital bill will be 30,000 rupees if he's a male. 30. Herbalife products cost between 10 and 30,000 rupees a month. To prevent this 30,000 rupee loss, spend 30,000 on Herbalife products. If you are a customer, is my advice. Now look at the causes of heart disease. Aging, we cannot prevent. Lifestyle, definitely we can change. Diet, we can change. Smoking, we can change. Gender, we cannot change. Genetics, we can optimize. We cannot change, but we can streamline them. And diabetes, of course, we can change. So the causes of heart disease, at least 80%, 60% are changeable. It is in your hands to have a better, healthier heart health than people say. So it is no point blaming, oh, I was born like this, my genetics are bad, my age is too much. No, 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 no. Focus on things you can change. Change your lifestyle, change your diet, stop smoking, control diabetes, take care of whatever God has given you, and you will have better health. If you are a man, read this carefully. 50% of heart attacks in India are less than 50 years of age. And tragically, 25% of heart attacks are less than 40 years old. So my friends, if you are a young person on this call, don't be smug about your heart health. Indian Heart Association says 25% of heart attacks are in less than 40 years of age. 50% heart attacks are in less than 50 years of age. And this is a tragedy because this is a preventable cause of death. Look what happens to the heart. If your heart is healthy, the blood flow is perfect. If your heart suffers from consequence of total obesity in the body, the vessels start shrinking and shrinking and shrinking till they become so small that there is no blood flying through your heart. In a normal heart, it should flow smoothly. In a diseased heart, there is obstruction at every inch, every millimeter, every centimeter of the artery. 60% of heart disease in 20% of world population. India is only 20% world population, but we have 60% heart disease. It is the #1 killer and it is the largest silent epidemic. And my friends, I want to break your heart by telling you, Hyderabad is the diabetic capital of the world. So welcome to Pesarattu, welcome to our wonderful biryanis and kebab, but also welcome to diabetes, because this is Government of India data. Top 5 causes of death worldwide: heart disease, respiratory disease, cancer, diabetes, and stroke. And I wanted you to understand these because they are collectively having one common thing. Now, all of you will live to 65. I am dead sure of that. The tragedy is 80% of you will have at least one chronic disease. 68% will have 2 or more. So you might have hypertension, high cholesterol, arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, kidney disease, heart failure, depression, dementia, obstructive lung disease. there is one common thread to all of them, and that is obesity. So 68% people at 65 years, if they have two chronic disease, they have one common thread called obesity. So this is the tree of disease and health. The root cause is physical inactivity, alcohol abuse, tobacco, unhealthy diet. The result is cancer, diabetes, lung disease, non-communicable disease. Now, out of these, I have circled two. Why I have circled two is because if you have a healthy diet, if you are physically active, you are likely not to abuse alcohol and likely not to use tobacco. So the root cause of so-called non-communicable diseases will disappear if you pay focus and attention to your Herbalife associate as a customer. And if you are a Herbalife associate, pay attention to what your upline says and focus on being physically active, having a healthier diet, avoiding alcohol and tobacco, and you are getting rid of the root cause of disease. In 2000, WHO classified a group of diseases called lifestyle disorders, and they defined it as a disease associated with the way a person or a group of people live. So your life choices, what time do you get up? Do you smoke? Do you drink? What time do you sleep? Do you eat healthy? Do you have mental and physical peace? Will determine lifestyle diseases. And everything I talked so far is a part of preventable cause of lifestyle disease and death. So I wanted to make you sure, rather than talk about just the products, that why you need to pay attention. If you are a customer, great. If you are an associate, even more important, because you need to worry about your lifestyle and your lifestyle diseases. Fortunately, Herbalife has not one, not two, but three focused products that help for the heart. And I want to talk about them so that you understand that as a company, we pay attention to lifestyle disorders because, of course, the money you will make from Herbalife will improve your lifestyle. But I am telling you this from a personal experience. You will not change your favorite food. You will not exercise. You will not go off to sleep at correct time till you are mentally understanding the fact that you need to do it for yourself, for your family, for your community, and for the people that surround you. So let's talk now. After giving you a background of the products, let's talk about the products per se. Herbalife has three specific products that can be classified in cardiac wellness or heart wellness. Please understand again, you are not going to treat any disease. You are not going to be cardiologists, but you can be cardiac wellness experts just by understanding these products and using them properly and appropriate. A couple of things I will say are contrary to what we teach you in Herbalife, but I am telling you science. I am not here only as a doctor or a Herbalife user or a president team. I am also here as a person who thinks about, is this what I am saying going to impact you positively? So as a part of my mental process, I am going to say a few things that are different than what you read on the labels. But don't worry, what I am going to say is more scientific. And like I always say, don't change anything till you talk to your sponsor, till you talk to your upline, till you have Raju's approval. Don't change anything. So Herbalife line is the omega-3 capsule. As you can see on this photograph, it will affect everything from heart to brain to liver to stored fat. But important thing for you to understand is that omega-3 is three different types of fats. Now, when you go into this presentation, you might find it a little more knowledge than you think you need. But I am assuring you, if you have enough customer base, somebody will ask you these questions. So forewarned is forearmed and forearmed is victorious. Spectacular preparation precedes spectacular performance. So if you want a spectacular Herbalife career, learn to go into details, and it is not necessary for you to tell everybody about this. But if somebody asks, it is better to be informed and educated. So there are three types of omega-3, EPA, DHA, LA. If you have read ever the Herbalife label, you will realize we have only EPA and DHA in our products. I will explain the science of why that is so that tomorrow when a vegetarian person who doesn't want to eat a non-vegetarian Herbalife line says, oh, but tell me a source of vegetarian omega-3, you can gladly tell him there is no omega-3 in vegetarian product. There is only omega-1, and I will show the difference between omega-3 coming from marine sources and others. Recently, we have now discovered a fourth omega-3, which is called doxopantic acid, which is DPA. But I'm not going to talk about this. Let us focus on the first three omega-3s, EPA, DHA, ALA. And if it bores you, still write it down, because I promise you, every time you get a customer who is willing to give you 30,000 rupees at MRP, he will ask this question. That is why he can afford that 30,000 rupees. Now, EPA and DHA come from fish and by default are called marine omega-3. ALA is found in vegetable oils, but unfortunately, it is used only for energy and it cannot be converted by the human liver into EPA and DHA. EPA and DHA are the more important omega-3s than ALA for a reason. I will show the slide also and I will tell you the reason also, but please understand this time that you need to have food that has EPA and DHA more than you need food that has ALA. And if you are a simple housewife, like I am a simple house husband, just understand that omega-3 from fish is far superior than omega-3 from vegetarian sources for a reason. And the reason is this. First, look at India in red. Our omega-3 status is very, 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 very low. So why do you need omega-3? I will explain. But first understand, you live in a country where omega-3 is deficit. What does omega-3 deficiency do? From asthma, allergy, depression, skin disorder, arthritis, heart disease, cancer, depression after delivery, prematurity, premature baby, fibromyalgia, obesity, eye degeneration, dry eye, Alzheimer's disease, every single organ is covered in this slide, which is because of omega-3 deficiency. Now, many of you will say, okay, but before this presentation or before meeting an Herbalife distributor, we did not have any of this and we were omega-3 deficient. So how come suddenly omega-3 is so important? If you read this slide, you will understand most of these diseases take time to appear. If you are 30 and 40, you may not have a full-blown problem. But at 65, do you want to be active, physically healthy and mentally agile? Or do you want to fade into obscurity, have Alzheimer's disease and depression and disorders? And the answer is no. You would like to stay healthy till you are alive. Give a little more time and omega-3 deficiency will show up. Don't worry. If you are not taking omega-3, your deficiency will show up for sure. Now, science says get it from food. I also personally say we should get from food. But what can you do? Most of you haven't even seen flaxseed, chia seed, hemp seed, walnut, canola oil, elme, wild rice, purslane. I come from a rice eating country and I am sure many of you are, but most of you must never have seen black rice. It comes from Manipur and they make very delicious kheer out of it. So please understand, these slides are okay. These food sources are okay. But take it from me, you are never ever going to get adequate omega-3 from your diet. That is why WHO said supplement diets and prevent lifestyle disorders. Okay, now we created a capsule. This has 300 milligram of EPA and DHA and 6 milligram of vitamin E. Vitamin E is included because it is an antioxidant and omega-3 are unstable. As soon as you expose them to air, they start breaking down. We have always been training for the last 15 years on this slide where we say male should take 1.8 gram per day, female should take 1.2 gram per day. Most of the times, I think Rajuji also says, no, this is against the label. And cardiologists say 3 to 4 gram, but what do we do? Please understand, there is a disclaimer on this that children should not use it, pregnant lactating women should consult a gynecologist. But I can tell you with absolute certainty that all pregnant women need adequate omega-3 to develop a healthy, mentally active baby. So of course, we have to write a disclaimer because that is the law, but it doesn't mean you can't use it. Now, what does EPA DHA do? This is Herbal Lifeline omega-3 combination, 180 milligram, 120 milligram. It's good for the eyes, for the brain, for the joint, for the heart, for the immunity and overall health. So people who are using omega-3 capsules of Herbalife or honestly any other omega-3, which is a combination of 180 milligram and 120 milligram, they will benefit in multiple sources. This I have already told you will only come from fish. There is no vegetarian source of EPA, DHEA. So you by default have to take a non-vegetarian sources. But each of them has a separate advantage and combined have a separate advantage. So if you see the circles in dark brown, brain development, eye health and cognitive function, they are a function of DHA. If you see the circles in purplish color, mind boosting and support for triglyceride, that is a function of EPA. And when you combine both of them like Herbal Lifeline did, you not only get all those advantages, your heart health improves, your joint health improves, and your immunity gets boosted. So the logical thing is for us to combine DHA and EPA to get the most effect out of it, like we have in Herbal Lifeline. Now, how much should you take? This might be controversial to many of you. So American Heart Association says 1000 milligram EPA DHEA, which means by default at least 3 Herbal Lifeline per day. And if your triglycerides are high, which by the way is the commonest in Andhra Pradesh and Hyderabad, because diabetes is associated with high triglycerides, you need 2 to 4 grams a day. So how many capsules do you need of 300 milligram? 10, 12 per day. This is American Heart Association. But FDA that controls the drugs and safety says up to 3 gram per day, no problem at all. In Europe, it says up to 5 gram, no problem at all. What does Government of India and ICMR say? ICMR says take omega-3 PUFA. I circled it for you because this is an Indian data. And Indian data says that Indian diets have negligible intake of omega-3. Indian Council of Medical Research says Indian diets have average negligent intakes of omega-3. So if you are using a truly Indian diet, and I'm sure you are because you should be proud to be Indians, your diet lacks omega-3. What can you do? Supplement. How much should you supplement is the question. So is 1 capsule twice a day enough? Yes, if you are looking to avoid deficiency. If you want a little better health, if you want proactive energy, you need to take 1 gram, which is at least 3 capsules a day. But if you are looking for high intensity support, like Government of India, ICMR, and I also recommend for every one of you, you need 2 to 4 grams combination EPA DHEA. Each capsule is 300 milligram. By default, you need between 10 to 12 capsules per day. How much should you take? Ask your sponsor. But if you take proper omega-3 fatty acid in adequate quantities, the rider is adequate quantities, your heart health will improve. Your blood sugars will stabilize. Your aging process will slow down. Husband-wife fights will become less because your mood will improve. What I am training you, you don't need to write it down. You will remember it just like Rajuji. Your joints will become better, so you don't need me as an orthopedic surgeon. If your immunity is boosted, hopefully COVID won't come. And if your pain is reduced, you won't say, Baba, dard ho raha hai, kamar mein, ghutne mein, haathon mein. Every single aspect of well-being is covered by omega-3. And this is not my slide. It comes from science. It is internationally recommended worldwide that at least 1000 milligram should be given. So Rajuji will be a witness to this. We have always recommended between 2 to 3 capsules, 2 to 3 times a day, even before we did this training, and I got this data for you. Whether you follow it or not, you decide. For children, 14 to 18 years, 1600 milligram for male. अभी आपने स्लाइड में देखा हमने 1.2 for female और 1.8 for male लिखा है. For children, all of you hopefully are over 18 years, otherwise you would not be Herbalife associates. You can be a customer though, of course, sure. So all of you need between 2 to 4 capsules to 6 capsules every single day. I know the label says 1 3 times a day or 1 2 times a day, but I'm just telling you the science. Now, if you eat adequate omega-3 from today, if you eat on my advice, Rajuji, if I have your permission, I want to tell them to eat 2 Herbal Lifeline 3 times a day, and many of you over 80 kgs weight, 3 Herbal Lifeline 3 times a day. You will have no anxiety, depression. Your quality of sleep will improve. your immunity will improve, you will feel better overall in 3 weeks. The best effect will come in 3 months. So don't think just because you had 6 omega-3 today, you will have magical recovery. Wait 3 weeks, wait 3 months, and you will find the magic of omega-3 in you. Also, many of our customers talk about omega-6 and omega-9s. So I wanted just to touch on this slide that omega-6 is not a good fat. It comes from vegetable oils. Omega-3 is the good fat, and the ratio should be 1:2, but for practical purpose, the ratio is 1:20. We get 10 times more omega-6 than we should. If you want good omega-3, eat sardine, omega-3 rich egg, walnut, salmon, flaxseed, grass-fed meat. And if you find this foreign to you, just use Herbalife line, 2 capsules to 3 capsules 3 times a day, after breakfast, after lunch, and after dinner. And every single thing that omega-3 I have told you does will be done for you. Of course, we have targeted nutrition. We want to target bones and gut and brain and joints and snacks and child nutrition, and we'll talk about this in subsequent lesson. But today we are focused on heart. I have already told you 50% of heart attacks in less than 50 years of age, 25% of heart attacks in less than 40 years of age. The challenge is, in the Western world, women don't have very serious heart disease. But in India, the women have as significant heart disease as men have. So please understand, you are looking at high mortality from heart disease. When Herbalife created Nightworks, it was designed to support healthy blood pressure, increase circulation, promote energy, blood flow, and arterial heart health. Please understand, as we grow older, our vessels normally get fat deposits. So the arteries become smaller and smaller and smaller, and you cannot help it because it's a process of the normal aging process. What you can do is help make the holes don't become this small, but become this big and this big. Even if there is deposit of the fat, the blood flow is not interrupted, because when you have Nightworks or a product containing nitric oxide, the size of the blood vessels expands, more blood flows per minute, and every organ gets better nutrition. Better nutrition means better hair, better skin, better nails, better energy, better muscles, better reproductive organs, better heart, better brain. Okay, so more the blood, better the body functioning. By the way, at 60, the body produces only 15% of nitric oxide that you need. If you are 40 years of age, you are already 50% deficit in requirement of nitric oxide. Supplement with Nightworks or not, you choose. But science says you will have only 50% of nitric oxide you need. And this is a before and after. Herbalife is famous for this. So before Herbalife, the muscles are not so good. After Herbalife, the muscles are good. Vessels are dilated. Now, why do you need nitric oxide? And I actually included the slide, Raju sir, because ideally the nitric oxide supplement should have citrulline and arginine both. And by the way, it's not only about increasing the blood supply to brain and muscle. It also improves insulin production and human growth hormone. Insulin helps stabilize your blood sugars, and human growth hormone optimizes your growth, which is why the growing children are so active and energetic and exercising. They are naturally producing nitric oxide. But as we grow older, we become busy in businesses and jobs, and we become sedentary. Now, nitric oxide is not only for the cardiovascular system. It helps in cell rebuilding. It helps support the lung. It helps support the immunity. It helps support central nervous system, brain, nerves, your stomach, and of course, sexual performance enhances with nitric oxide. Where does it come from? From something called Camu Camu berry. Sir, I think we had something like this in Maldives. And turmeric and spinach and watermelon and barley and arugula. I had to actually look up what arugula is. It's called rocket grass. And Aris cola berry, I have never seen anywhere, but beets, yes. So these are the natural sources of nitric oxide. How can you increase nitric oxide naturally? Now, if you are a customer and you say, oh my God, the product is too expensive. It is 13,000 rupees per month. If you take it like Anil Nade recommends, tell us something simple. So I'm going to tell you 5 simple things. Eat food high in nitrates. Celery, cress, chervil, lettuce, beetroot, spinach, arugula. And I promise you, most of you will have to open a dictionary to find out what these are. So spinach, yes. Of course, beetroot also, yes. but otherwise it's a problem. So these are food high in nitrates. Of all the fruits, pomegranate, anar is high in nitrates. Increase antioxidant intake. Vitamin C from oranges and citrus fruits, vitamin E from eggs and dairy product, polyphenols from all different fruits, and glutathione is an amino acid that especially comes from broccoli and avocados and asparagus and parsley. So increase antioxidant intake. By the way, please understand, apart from the hard things, our vitamin formula 2 is an antioxidant. Our cell activator is an antioxidant containing resveratrol. So it's not that I'm talking about these products only. If you want to increase your intake of antioxidants, take multivitamin 3 times a day. Take cell activator at least twice a day, and you will increase antioxidants. Now, this is important. You have to use nitric oxide boosting supplements, L-arginine, L-citrulline, and they are very, very beneficial, and science recommends supplementation because most people cannot exercise adequate. And we have ready-made Niteworks powder. Don't use mouthwash. Mouthwash kills healthy bacteria in mouth that produce nitric oxide. So if you are a person who is fond of using, don't. It's a bad idea. Don't. Do go back to your villages and use dantun or do simple gargling, but don't use any chemical that will kill the bacteria in your mouth. And exercise, 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 because the only way human body produces nitric oxide is by regular exercise. Now, many of these things might be difficult for you to do. So what I suggest is, forget this huge right side concept of food getting converted into nitrate, then into nitrite, then into nitric oxide. Just use L-arginine. It will directly get converted into nitric oxide. It will improve vasodilation, give you protection to all the cells. It will decrease your inflammation, decrease blood clotting, and help you. Use Herbalife product. I recommend twice a day. I use twice a day, at least once a day. And so feel healthy. There is a spoon inside it. 1 spoon in 250 ml to 300 ml of water. Very delicious Nimbu Pani. If you put 4 cubes of ice, you can get drunk without drinking whiskey. It's very delicious. So use twice a day is my suggestion. If you want to follow the label, it's once a day. The third product for heart we have is Beta Heart. Now, Beta Heart is based on a product called beta glucan. Beta glucan has 3 big sources. One is oats, the second is mushroom, and the third is yeast. But I did one more for you because cellulose is important, not for heart, not for immunity, but for our intestine. And Indians suffer from a lot of gut disorders. And last time I covered gut health. But today I want to tell you, if you eat beta glucan from algae, you boost immunity. If you get beta glucan from yeast, you boost immunity, no doubt. But when you get it from oat and barley, it is good for heart. So the beta glucan from oat, like we make, is good for heart. 8 benefits I want you to write down: boost immunity, lower cholesterol, improve heart health, improve gut health, decrease inflammation, regulate blood sugar, lower the risk of obesity. And some scientists say that people who use adequate quantities of beta glucan have lower risks of getting cancers. So it is maybe, it's not that it is sure. 4 things that are definitely sure for beta glucan is a healthy heart, weight loss, lowered blood sugar, and boosted immunity. Now, food is labeled in many ways. Beta glucan is labeled as GRAS. GRAS means generally recognized as safe, which means it has no side effect that can be significantly negative to human health. This is an American classification, but it's a logical thing to understand that it is generally safe for health. Now, we created out of oats for a reason that it's reasonably high. Could we create from fungus? Yes, more. Algae has 90%, but we have a oat-based 5% beta glucan product. And 2 things you should worry about is, it will boost immunity from within, and it will help you with acquired immunity that you get after repeated infections. So both components of immunity, acquired as well as inbuilt immunity, are boosted by beta glucan. This is so important in modern times because as we grow older, we are going to live in times where there is going to be infections, where immunity is at risk. And of course, because of the pandemic we had, immunity was a big hot topic. So beta glucan, besides helping the heart, is a very big immunity booster according to science. Now we have oat beta glucan, and every time you take a sachet, it has 3 grams of beta glucan. You can also take 2 in my opinion, but Herbalife recommends a single serve sachet any time of the day. You can have it in water, you can mix with the shake, you can actually have it with the night work solution also. And 1 sachet in 250 ml of water once a day will give you 3 grams of beta glucan. Of course, like all other products that we recommend, it's not for children, and pregnant and lactating women should consider their doctor. And please do not try to use this to diagnose, treat, prevent, or cure any disease. It is not logical, it is not legal. So together today, let us do this. Let's build our own hearts to be healthy, so that if our hearts are healthy, our body and soul will be healthy. Let's together become healthier, teach people around us to become healthy, so that we will create a healthier Hyderabad, which, by the way, today boasts being the diabetic capital of the country, and India is the diabetic capital of the world. So you have a double whammy there. Not only are you in the country where is the highest incidence of diabetes, you are in a city where there is highest incidence of disease. Always thankful for your time and attention. And Lovelina and I tell you this: if you do what we tell you to do, if you join us in what we do, you will make a difference. Because today, when you make a difference, you don't make a difference for today. You impact eternity, because heart disease cripples more than it kills, but it kills for sure. Let's help people go away from a sure shot killer and become healthier, develop cardiac wellness. And this is the time for you to start asking questions. I hope we have the time. I will check. Yes, we have been 1 hour on the call. So that's why I skipped the story. I knew it would take a little longer, because heart is something that is very important. So any questions you have, please ask.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nadi sir. It's a wonderful session. Actually, you got a wonderful information. I can say this is a state of the art and very big information. So మీకు మనకి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ చూసుకున్నారు మీరు డాక్టర్ అనిల్ నాథ్ గారి దగ్గర లేటెస్ట్, అండ్ వీఆర్ సో లక్కీ, వీఆర్ సో ప్రౌడ్ టు హ్యావ్ వండర్ఫుల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్ ఆన్ ద ఫేస్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. The best about the heart, and particularly Andhra, Telangana, every minute 4 people are dying of heart disease. Every minute.
Absolutely. And preventable cause of death, by the way. They should die.
మన చేతిలో ఉంది. Wonderful, sir. Thank you so much. So with